Hey there, Excel enthusiasts and productivity pros. Welcome to Tiktaalik Clips, the place where quick hacks meet big productivity wins. Today, we're diving into some seriously cool tips to level up your Microsoft Office skills. From organizing your Excel files into folders, to creating a search bar, pulling data from the web, and even sneaking in a few PowerPoint and Outlook tricks, this video has it all. So, whether you're looking to work smarter, wow your boss, or just feel like a total tech wizard, you're in the right place. Let's unlock some game-changing skills starting now.
Don't create new folders like this.
Bruh.
Instead, automate this process. Go to Excel, type MD, and insert the full names. Now, press Ctrl-E to fill out everything. Copy the names and paste them into Notepad. Give the file a name and add .bat at the end. Find the file and click on it. And that's it. You saved so much time. Send this video to your boss to get a raise. Stop doing this in Excel.
Bruh.
The image won't fit the screen. Instead, do this. Click Insert and insert a rectangle. Right-click and select Edit Points. Once you're done, click Format Shape and select Picture. Now choose this image of Michael Jordan. That's it. Did you know this hack? Want my 150 Excel shortcuts guide? Check my bio to get it. Stop adjusting columns like a noob.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell.
Instead, automate it. Right-click on your tab and select View Code to open the VBA editor. Switch to Worksheet and type this secret code. And that's it. Now, whenever you type anything, the columns will auto-adjust. 99.9% of people don't know this Excel hack. I just found out how to create a search bar in Excel.
Bruh.
Just do this. Go to the Developer tab and insert a text box. Select the location, then right-click and choose Properties. Set the linked cell. Now, go here and type this formula. And that's it. Now you can search for what you need right here.
Here is an Excel trick I guarantee you didn't know. If you ever need to get data from a table on a website into your Excel spreadsheet, don't waste your time trying to highlight all the data in that table and then copy it and then go into your Excel spreadsheet and pasting it. You might end up with this weird formatting. Instead, what you should do is go to the URL up top and copy it. Then click on the Data tab, Get Data from Other Sources and from Web. Now, if you paste in the URL and hit enter, you can select any table from that website. We're gonna go with this one, and if I hit load, you'll have this nice looking table in Excel that you can filter and sort by. Easy. And if you use Google Sheets instead, you can use the import HTML function where all you have to do is paste in your URL in between quotation marks. Then you do a comma, and then in quotation marks, you're gonna type in table, another comma, and then we want the first table from that website. And if we hit enter, it'll load our table. And another cool thing you can do is if you take a screenshot of any data you see, in Excel, you go to data, from picture, and from clipboard. You can then review the data from your screenshot and insert it. Easy.
Here's how to level up your PowerPoint presentations in 30 seconds. Start by inserting a rounded rectangle into your slide. We'll round off the edges a bit more and move it over before duplicating it. Go back to Shapes, and now you want to cover the whole slide with a rectangle. Then select all the shapes and choose Subtract, just like this. Now we want to insert a video from the video library in PowerPoint. Search for your topic and pick a video you like. You want to insert it into your slide, just like I've done here, and then rearrange it to the back. Now I'm going to change the color of the shape to white before adding some text to this slide. This looks nice. Well done. Make sure to follow for more PowerPoint tutorials.
My nerd coworker created this cool project tracker.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Let me share how he did it. Select the range and press Alt-NCB to add checkboxes. Go here and type the rept formula. Also, type COUNTIF, select the range, and the value true. Once done, change the font to stencil and change the color. That's it. Want to master Excel? Stop typing out responses like a noob.
Bruh.
Instead, do this. Enter this AI function. Enter the prompt to send to AI. Select the review, and that's it. Did you know this hack?
Don't do this to get an automatic numbering for your tasks. Instead, you are going to do this. Type in an equal, type in the text that you want. I'm going to go with no dot in quotation marks, and combine this with the sequence function. Inside sequence, I'm going to put the number of rows I want to get an automatic numbering for, and then press enter. And that's that. Now, what if you want to make this dynamic so you only have numbers until you have tasks? No problem. Get rid of what you have in the brackets for sequence and change this to the count A function, and then reference your task column, close bracket, press enter, and now our numbering is fully dynamic.
Here's a way to make your spreadsheets interactive and user-friendly by adding this search bar. First, select your data and insert a table by pressing Ctrl-T. Then go to a new sheet where the search and results will appear. Go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and select Text Box from the drop-down menu. Draw the text box on your worksheet. Right-click on the text box, select Properties, and set the linked cell to C3. Close the Properties window and then click Design Mode. Select the cell where you want the search results to appear, and enter this formula. This formula searches for the text in cell C3 within the full name column of the table. Now you can type into the text box to search for different names. If a match is found, it displays the corresponding rows. And if there are no matches, not found will be shown. And that's how you set up a powerful search bar in Excel to find data quickly.
3 amazing Outlook tricks. Go to Settings, click Mail, select Compose and Reply. Increase the undo time to 10 seconds. This way, you always have 10 seconds to recall an email after you've sent it. When you click Send on an email, this button will appear at the bottom of the screen. Click it to undo sending the email. Go to Settings, click Calendar, and go down to Time Zones. Add a time zone. Select the time zone or a city in that time zone. Add a label to the time zone, then click Save. This way your calendar will display a bar that shows multiple time zones, which makes it easier to book international meetings. In your inbox, go to Sort and sort by From. This will show you emails paired by sender. Click the first mail from the sender, then hold Shift and click the last. With all the emails selected, you can now delete, move, or archive them. This is how I never miss a mail from my boss. Go to View Settings, click Conditional Formatting, click Add, and give the rule a name. Select the rule and go to Font. Set your desired font and color. Click OK. Go to Condition. Set the condition. In this case, I'll make the rule apply to all emails from this address, regardless of the subject. Click OK on all prompts. All emails from Kyle will now show with this formatting. To only change the format of certain emails, go to Condition again. Write the subject. If the subject field contains these words, the formatting will apply on that specific email.
Don't enter data like a noob.
Bruh.
Instead, do this. Select the header, then go to the Quick Access toolbar. Find Form, add it, and click OK. Now you can enter your data using the form. That's it. Send this video to your boss to get a raise.
Did you know that you can display your emails in a calendar view? Go to Change View, then click Manage Views. Click New. Give the view a name, then select Day, Week, Month. Click OK. Now go to Change View again and select your newly created view. This allows you to get an overview over your emails and when they were received. You can swap between daily, weekly, and monthly view. Double-click on an email to open it. 3 must-know Excel tips in 50 seconds. First, stop using equal sum like this. You're wasting time. Instead, you can simply select the cell right here and use the Alt equal shortcut. Even better, you can select all these tables while holding down the Shift key and then use the Alt equal shortcut like this. Amazing. Now, if you ever want to separate values from one column into multiple columns, don't do it manually. Instead, simply write the first value and then use the Control E shortcut to automatically fill the rest. You're saving so much time. Third, don't clean up messy tables manually. Don't be a noob, bro. Instead, just click somewhere in the table and then click Alt-O-A. And now select the table you want to use. I think this one looks nice. Yes, this one looks a lot better. If you want to improve in Excel, make sure you save this video and follow for more tutorials.
He said, "She, I just